Hey y'all, it's Nita and I'm back today with another tutorial for the fall. It's my favorite season, so I got a lot of looks for you guys coming soon. But my look today was inspired by this beautiful copper pigment from NYX that I wanted to use today. So I just built a look around that pigment. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful makeup look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So I've already done my foundation and I primed my eyes with my Makeup Forever concealer in the shade 42. I used it all over my eyelid to prep for the eyeshadow. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette in that shade New Wave, and I'm going to use a nice fluffy brush and put that in my crease.
From the street lights. Oh, this is what the top feels like. I still remember ramen noodle meal nights. I still remember checking my account and having $26 when I signed my record deal night. And I remember being cold, and my apartment used the heater from the kitchen stove. Highs and lows, that's how it goes, so I gotta roll something up.
Now this shade is a nice mustard color yellow, so it showed up, but I really had to work it in to get it to show up as much as I wanted it to. So just be mindful of that if you're using this shade or any kind of mustard yellow. You can also use any kind of orange shade. I really just wanted to warm up my crease, and that was just the palette I had around me at the time, so I used that. And excuse me y'all, I was looking down at my phone, somebody text me. But yeah, so I'm really going to pack that in. I'm really going to work that yellow in because it took a little bit of work to get it to show up. And I'm using my Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to take a reddish brown shade and I'm going to work that into my crease as well, because as you can see, that mustard yellow, I mean, it warmed up my crease, but it didn't do a whole lot. So I want to go ahead and take a nice warm brown and further warm up my crease.
Failure was not an option, I gotta be at the top. Like, I'm sorry, but I don't really feel sorry for y'all. I'm sorry I got a new number that you can't call. I'm sorry to everyone who still wants me to fall. But hold up, you know what? I ain't sorry at all.
So I packed on quite a bit of that reddish brown to get my crease to looking just the level of warmth and intensity that I wanted it to have. I really wanted that crease to be popping.
You can stay young or you can grow old.
So we're back in our Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to take that chocolate color, and I also use a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that into tighter into my crease and the outer V and the inner V of my eye, because I want that pigment to sit in the inner corner. I hope I'm saying this right. I want the pigment to sit in the center of my lid, so I'm going to make the outside of my lid darker so that the inside of my lid can pop. I hope I'm making sense when I say that, y'all.
Go, or you can go live life, or you can I started with $1 and a dream, right? So I can show these people how to dream right. I can show them how to aim for the stars and take it to the arenas from the street lights. And oh, this is what the top feels like. I still remember ramen noodle meal nights. I still remember checking my account and having $26 when I signed my record deal night. And I remember being cold, and my apartment used the heater from the kitchen stove. Highs and lows, that's how it goes, so I gotta roll something up just to cope with the pressures of growing up, man.
Now I'm hoping now y'all can see what I mean. Like, I want to leave the center part of my eyelid open for that glitter to pop, but the outer corners and the tighter part of my lid, I want that to be darker. So yeah, I hope now you guys can get a visual of what I was trying to explain earlier. But we're just going to go ahead and really work that in, get everything blended out so that it looks seamless and flawless. Back into the Subculture palette, and we're taking the shade, I believe it's called Rowdy, and I'm going to go into, again, my outer V areas of my eye and intensify. I didn't want to use black per se, so I wanted to use the eggplant purple shade. I thought it would be really pretty with this look, and I'm just going to blend it out.
Hold on, let me get it. Look. Failure was not an option, I gotta be at the top. Like, I'm sorry, but I don't really feel sorry for y'all. I'm sorry I got a new number that you can't call. I'm sorry to everyone who still wants me to fall.
Why is it that when I'm blending I gotta have my mouth open like that though? I've noticed this as I'm doing these tutorials. I don't know, I guess it helps. But anyway, so I'm just again blending all of these together in my crease, making sure everything looks nice and seamless. And it takes a little bit of time, so I did cut out a lot of the blending process because I didn't want to bore y'all, but I do go back and forth a lot with different brushes with no product. As you see now, I'm taking that bigger fluffy brush. It's no extra product on it, but I'm just going back over those edges to blend out my crease and try to make sure everything looks seamless. Now for the eyelid, we're taking the shade, I forget the name, but it's like an antique gold, and I'm going to use a little bit of Fix Plus spray on to wet my brush before I use this shade. But I'm going to take it and pop it on the center of my eyelid where we left that open space. I'm just going to pop it on there and blend it out.
Oh, this is what the top feels like. I still remember ramen noodle meal nights. I still remember checking my account and having $26 when I signed my record deal night. And I remember being cold, and my apartment used the heater from the kitchen stove. Highs and lows, that's how it goes, so I gotta roll something up just to cope with the pressures of growing up. Man, what are we? We made it to the bar cause we need to heal up. You gotta play for keeps, cause aces tend to stay with dealers. You got to believe it. But I'm a sinner too, so I ain't preaching. Just keep on dreaming, cause all the bad days come for good reasons. Hey, get high, or you can stay, or you
So I'm using the NYX pigment and the number 01. It didn't have a name, just the number 1. And I'm using that same eyeshadow brush. I just sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus and I popped the glitter on top of that antique gold shade. I couldn't find my glitter adhesive, so I just used that. And I'm just going to pat it onto my eyes. It's typically how I apply the glitter. I pat it on instead of trying to swipe it and all of that. I find that it's a lot less messy. Also, just FYI, typically when I do glitter or pigments, I do my foundation after my eyes. I don't know what I was thinking this time, so I did have a little bit of a time trying to clean it up afterwards. But just a word to the wise, if you're using glitters or pigments or anything like that can be messy, do your foundation last. But yeah, we're just gonna pat it on and keep it moving. So I'm taking my e.l.f. black gel liner and a small detailing brush, and I'm going to line my top and bottom lash line with that. I'm taking the shade Rowdy, and also I mixed the chocolate shade from the Kat Von D palette. I took both of those and I'm going to smudge out my lower lash line, and I'm using just a small detailing brush. I can't remember where it's from, but just a small fluffy brush will do for that. And I remember being cold, and my apartment used the heater from the kitchen stove. Highs and lows, that's how it goes, so I gotta roll something up just to cope with the pressures of growing up. Man, what are we? Here I'm using my Becca highlighter, and I'm actually going to pop that into my inner tear duct. I did use that to highlight my face as well, but yeah, here I'm just using it and applying it to my inner tear duct with that same fluffy detailing brush. I'm using my favorite velour lash tweezer and applying my falsies. These are the Miss A lashes in the style M232. They're my absolute favorites. I wear them all the time. And best of all, they're only $2.99. You can find them at your local beauty supply. Again, the brand Miss A.
And if I had $1 for every time they told me what I wouldn't be, I would be a rich man with a crib on a big hill. But I gotta work to get paid, earn my own way, work the third shift, burn the whole split since birth. Hold on, let me get it. Look, failure was not an option. I gotta be at the top. Like I'm sorry, but I don't really feel sorry for y'all. I'm sorry I got a new number that you can't call. I'm sorry to everyone who still wants me to fall.
And we're going to apply some mascara just to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Stiletto, but I'm not really partial to any type of mascara. Whatever you have, I'm pretty sure will work.
Or you could get low, you could stay young, or you could grow old. Let it go. I'ma go for broke. You could go hard, or you could go home. You could live young, or you could grow young.
And here's the final look. I just threw on my good old faithful wig, honey, and I am feeling myself. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you do try any of the looks, y'all, please tag me. Follow me on Instagram at @GlamByNita and tag me or DM me a picture if y'all tried the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!